But the Prophet was born in 570 in Mecca. He had to flee Mecca in 622. So recommendation is flexibility in passion, but it's something, the cultural system of time is something very rooted in ourselves. Lawrence of Arabia, who said Arabs believe in people, not in institutions. Sharikat, the word for company, comes from the verb sharing. We are in a formal culture, so the good manners, including flatteries and praise. Flatteries and praises are part of good manners. Gulf proverb says, the one who does not benefit his family is no benefit to others.